On behalf of Engel Völkers, I would like to introduce to you this new luxury villa that's located on our Marbella Golden Mile, aptly named Villa Bubellini Blue Blue. This villa is full of energy, full of zen, full of vibrancy. It's located in the Marbella Golden Mile in the area of Nagüeles, 5 minutes to Nobu Hotel, 5 minutes to Puente Romano. You have your beaches, you have your mountains. It has everything you could possibly want. Let's check this villa out. What I love about this villa is this beautiful, really gorgeous swimming pool, which is heated, and it also has the little footbridge there, making a very family fun entertainment. Also, I adore with this villa the fact that you have all of this exterior space, which is flowing very, very, very well with the interior. For example, you have people in the kitchen cooking. You have family and friends here by the pool enjoying themselves. You have the possible barbecue area here. Exterior dining table, interior dining table, interior living area, exterior. The outdoor and indoor flow so well together. And I really do believe it is down to this pocket door which really brings it all seamlessly together in a very zen-like way. You have this beautiful fountain which is lit up so gorgeous at night, and this marvelous stone fireplace. This is very much a turnkey villa. All you need are your keys, your clothes, and you can move into this villa immediately. Look at this gorgeous poke and pole kitchen, absolutely stunning. You have your Gaggenau appliances, you have a very fresh, vibrant look, beautiful bar area. This seamless marble also here, absolutely stunning. I just love it. And you have this gorgeous dining room terrace which you can enjoy at night with a little feature fountain here made of stone. Absolutely stunning. Modern, contemporary, well-built, well-designed house. You can see everything. You can have the floor-to-ceiling marble looking absolutely stunning. Well-lit wardrobe, really done to perfection. And then we have, of course, our master bedroom, which for me is the highlight of this villa. It is spectacular. You have the vaulted ceilings, you have the backdrop of La Concha, you have the sea view, you have your private terraces, sparkling city lights. This villa is stunning.